guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear. I just found this smooth enclosed rack, thought I'd do a video of it for you. This one's got the jail bar window and cabinets all the way around down the sides there, so you got access to the bottom. 50-gallon tank. We offer 30 and 70s as well with the tray there, so you can basically have everything you need to install it. This one's kind of different. It's got these clear LED lights, very cool on the top, so they'll turn red, and with the chrome bezel, so that'll look really sharp. All smooth finish. Flip-up door there on the top. You got some extra storage. Standard chain hangers on the side. This one's got a little box here as well above the tank, which is pretty cool. So you got some storage in there. You can put some extra gear in the center, utilize that a little more. And then your bottom box is there for access from the ground. If you got gloves or something little, you don't want to jump up there, because hey, why jump up if you don't have to? More products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.